everyone, my name is Sarah from Handmade by Sarah Kim, and today I'll be showing you how to organize your workspace with the modular mobile chest from Michaels. I run a small business specializing in paper flowers, and one of my favorite DIY hacks is to make your own organizing boxes out of paper for drawers. Let's get started. One of my tips for small business owners is to keep branding consistent in your packaging and staying organized. Organizing all your materials keeps you updated on what you have in stock, having a designated space for your making area and your packaging area, because there's much more than just your product when you're running your small business. When I started my business, I didn't know the importance in keeping these things organized, and these drawers in this modular system are perfect for storing all of your important files like tax documents and business receipts. If you didn't know, Michaels has a tax exemption program through Michaels Pro. You could find more details on their website along with all your organizing supplies for the new year. Thank you all for watching.